Select the app you wish to connect by clicking on it. From the left side menu, click on App Integrity. Connect an existing Google Cloud project or create a new one and link it here. Open Google Cloud Console. In this step, we choose the project that we linked to App Integrity in our previous action. Now select the APIs and Services option. Type Google Play API in search box. Select the Google Play Android Developer API. In this scenario, the option is already active as we enabled it earlier for testing. If it's not yet enabled for you, simply click to turn it on. Now click on Manage. Click on Credentials. Again, click on Create Credentials. Activate the service account by selecting the Service Account option. Let's fill the service account name and description, then click on Create button. Select Basic, then assign the role Owner. Click on Continue. Click on Done. Click on Create New Key. Select the JSON option and click on Create button. Copy this email ID, which will be used to invite a user in the Google Play console. Now click on Users and Permissions option from left side menu. Now click on Invite User. Paste the email ID that we copy from Service Account. Click on Add App. Choose the applications you wish to connect. If you want to connect multiple applications, choose Multiple. Assign the permission. As you see, the invitation account is active. Copy the app package ID. Now, to connect Google Play with Rannkly, click on Continue. Choose the JSON file that was downloaded from the Google Cloud Service account and enter the package name that we copied in the previous step. Map the location with the app so that reviews start fetching. Put the all-time date filter and check all your review. Now start replying to these reviews from Rannkly.